Welcome once again, and let's talk about Terra Classic token. Remember earlier, a few months ago, Terra Classic was really increasing in price. Terra Classic, even the market cap hit billions of dollars, and we all believe this coin was going to hit about $5 billion market cap, also increasing in price. But the Terra Classic have really dropped down, and this coin have actually lost about $1.3 billion. The market cap of Terra Classic actually hit over $2 billion, but at the time of recording this, the market cap is currently trading at $938 million. Now, it simply means Tonic Classic have really lost a lot, even though so many crypto experts believe that Tonic Classic by now would have been hitting about $3 to $4 billion market cap. I also believe the price of Tonic Classic would have already increased in price. Even Tonic would have deleted some zero, but it is not working that way because Tonic Classic right now have even drop more in value, and even the burning of Terra Classic is not really increasing the way we expected this coin to really increase after the launch of the 1.2% tax bond. Many people believe that the tax bond were actually going to help Terra Classic start burning over 10 billion to 70 billion coins in a single day, which people believe that before next 6-7 months that Terra Classic was going to burn out the circulating supply, which is 6.1 trillion coins. But I don't think that is really working, because right now Tonic Classic is not even burning up to 1 billion coins in a single day. But the truth is patience. I believe yes, we all need to have patience, because even so many coins have been affected. Even Bitcoin, BTC, the king of all crypto coins, is also dropping down in price. Even BNB, you can see Cardano, Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, so many XRP, almost all the coins are actually dropping. So people are actually buying, selling. Not very few people are actually holding coins these days, because people are scared of losing their capital. That is why you can see even Tectonic token, even Shiba Inu, all the small cap coin we are also doing well earlier this year, but right now they're not really doing well. Well, for me, Terra Classic token definitely is going to increase in price. I believe next year, let's see what next year is going to bring. For me, I believe next year is going to be a better year, not just for Terra Classic but cryptocurrency in general. Well, Terra Classic will be burning billions of coins. I believe that we've reached the level where it will be burning over 3 to 5 billion coins in a single day. Well, one good news is that Binance will be burning billions of Terra Classic this December, and I believe that is going to also have an impact on Terra Classic coin. Let's keep hoping, let's hope and see that something more better, something more bigger is going to happen next year. Well, to me, the market cap will definitely increase, and I believe the Terra Classic price will also increase in price. But remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision. Please kindly subscribe and turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next video.